As the date of your refacing install approaches, there are a few things you can do in advance to save time. This video includes tips for reviewing your front and center order and getting organized before you arrive at the job site. Plan to review your front and center order as soon as you can after it arrives. Compare your packing list against your order to make sure you received everything. You'll also want to verify the style and finish of all items, check for any damage that may have occurred during transit, and confirm fronts are hinge board with the correct patterns. To make your install as efficient as possible, we recommend organizing your order before you arrive at the job site. Pair up door and drawer fronts, and pre-install slides on the drawer boxes if you're replacing them. You can also pre-drill holes for drawer handles if you know the proper spacing. It's helpful to have the homeowner remove items from their cabinets before you arrive. You can even supply tubs that you drop off and they keep until the project is complete. Finally, consider how you'll dispose of the old fronts and other waste. You can haul everything away in your truck or trailer, or arrange for a dumpster bag for the customer.